It's crazy, but it's true. You know, you're living on a flat earth plane. And I'm going to just talk about something else different than the flat earth plane. I'm going to talk about the moon, but it's involved. Here we have a moon that you only see one side of, no matter where you are on Earth. And the ball heads and the flat heads and whatever you want to call it, none of them can disagree with that. You only see the same side of the moon wherever you are on the Earth. But you know what's really interesting? It will be in a different position. It'll be upside down, right side up. Right? Two different positions. It's really interesting that when you walk away from any direction beside north, and after a certain distance, like from Canada to Mexico, the moon is now upside down. Yeah, that's right. It's upside down. It's exactly the opposite of what I see here in Canada. Because you know why? I was in Mexico. And I'm still seeing the same fucking side. You know what that would work perfectly on? Do you have any idea what that would work perfectly on? A flat disc. If there was a happy face up in the middle of the sky, and one side was the happy face, and you were looking at it, and you were on a flat plane, on a disc, underneath this happy face. And it was in the middle of the sky, just like the sun, except it was a happy face. And you could see it. And you walked from one side of the other of the disc. That happy face would be upside down. That's right. It would work perfectly on a flat disc. Do you understand that? You think you know what you're talking about? You think you have your science, your fucking pseudoscience, your babbling, your fucking nonsense, your mathematics, your reification fallacies, your abstracts, your constructs. None of them coming with a demonstration. In order to validate and verify science, you must have a demonstration. I see no demonstration of gas pressure without a container. I see filthy fucking lies. How do I mean? Here's a perfect example. In order for the spacesuits to be built by the scientists, they would have to know exactly how space works to make the spacesuits. So if they knew how the spacesuits worked and they knew how space worked, that means that they could show us gas pressure without a container, beside a vacuum. An air sphere in a vacuum without a container. It's just not sinking in. Because you are retarded. You cannot have gas pressure without a container. For them to understand space, to build spacesuits, they must understand exactly how space works. To build the spacesuits. So they should be able to show us gas pressure without a container in a vacuum, 17 to the minus torr value. I don't see it. Ever. Just fucking more fucking lies from lying fucking goofs that fucking sold out the fucking human race, and the fact that they're lying and the ones that know that they're lying and aren't thinking, well, why am I lying? Maybe there is a fucking creator. You're going to get fucked hard, man. And not in a good way. You soulless fucking pieces of shit. You know what the truth is. Satan's gonna get you, motherfuckers. You, not me. Not any of my brethren. Not the ones that know that we're on a flat earth plane. That we're in hell itself, inside of a fucking matrix. Inside of a computer simulation. One side of a coin. The other side is paradise. It's been hidden from us our whole lives. All compasses point to the center of this paradise. So, I will say this one more time. It's the end. You're fucked.